And we have arrived at Quiso Ranch Game.
Continue for 3 kilometers.
Let's see what they got here for us. What do you have in store for us? That's how we're rolling these days. Oh, that dust! This is how we arrive. You have to arrive in style. Bro, I'm gonna be covered in dust. So we're supposed to be getting on some quad bikes, and I'm currently wearing white shoes. You got white shoes on as well? This was a bad idea. We're definitely gonna have to come back to this place. Look at this. Yeah, but are they in this bit?
Yeah, that's not good, yeah. Find out.
So the lion will grab me from here. Oh mate, nah. You keep driving, bro. Yeah, it's just a long ass dirt road to this place, and the entrance is so far behind us, it's crazy. So right now, we've just come here to see if we can get some quad bikes and enjoy this place. Quiso, is it Quiso Game Ranch? Quiso. Got all the animals. Look at the animals. What are these? Deers. Antelopes. Antelope. So yeah, let's see what they got in stock for us. We're nearly here, I can see it right ahead. There's a building over there. Oh, you can actually have some food here as well. Sorted. Oh, no, I need a camera. No, not here. Let's go. Quiso Game Ranch. Huh? Where do we go? So where do we go? Where do we check in? Where do we check in?
I don't know.
Check over here quick.
Anyway.
It's got to be over here. Alright man, so yeah, we're here at the place, about to get on these motorbikes right here, as you can see. Apparently they've only got 2 motorbikes today, so it's just me and this guy. Oh, these are like fish ponds. Okay, I think we're gonna have to get a little tour of the place. We'll see. We'll see.
Yeah. So we're supposed to follow each other. If you want to go first,
Okay.
we can go first.
Right.
Yeah. So just to follow each other.
Yeah, you go on, go on. Where the quad bike's at. I took it sideways, you know, I got myself in trouble. I'm not gonna lie, it's tempting, it's tempting. That's nippy. It goes very fast. Come on. Nah, that's actually quite fast. That's crazy. The power. got some zebras in front. We got some zebras. I play too much. I play too much.
Former ministers are here.
In this area, yeah? Yeah, I think yeah, that's true. This Leopard's Hill area.
This is the state road.
State Lodge, okay. Yeah, so we done some quad biking, had a few drinks. Well, had a drink and just chilled. How was the quad biking?
Yeah, it was good.
Good. Enjoyed it.
Yeah.
We're gonna come back.
Yeah.
Yeah, at some point, definitely. But the main thing I'm trying to do is go into the city. So, what's the plan for now? Shopping?
Shopping, back to the villa.
Back to the villa, and then
and then
back.
I don't know. See the
Back
swimming
out
pool
into the
talking.
city. Oh yeah, swimming pool.
Maybe.
Yeah, the swimming pool should be ready today, so see if we can
Maybe
use
back
that
out to the
I
city.
want to be jumping in at night.
at night.
Shit.
We can go there at night still, can't we?
Oh, swimming pool.
Into the city.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Monday here there. We'll go there. Yeah, anyway, so yo. Unplanned. We just plan as we go. It's the best actually, I prefer it. Because sometimes you don't want to plan and then you don't feel like doing what you planned. I like, you know, just going with the flow because it depends on how you feel and what you want to do, doesn't it, at the time. That's what we're going to do. We're going to go back, we're going to go to the shop, back to the villa, and then back out into the city. Well, after we've done a bit of swimming and stuff. So let's see how we go. Big Angst is driving. When did you last drive a car?
It's been long. 2003.
2003 is the last time we drove a car. Yeah, lucky it's automatic.